Hi, Mike. Okay, I'm gonna show you first of all the lock that is working. Okay, if I put the key in, you see how the lock locks, and I can take the key out so the door will stay locked. Okay, this is the one that's good. And the one that doesn't work is the 7-panel side. So let me show you. You open the door. You put the key in. You can lock it. But I cannot take the key out. The key is stuck. Just like that. The only way to take the key out is to unlock it, and I can take it out. Here's again. Okay, once I put the key in, I can lock it, but I cannot take the key out. I would have to unlock it, and then I can remove the key. So, I mean, this is a simple lock. I don't know, it looks like it's the lock that's the defective. There's really nothing to it. All they did is just install the whole entire lock. There's nothing else extra. So let me know if the video is clear enough for you. Thank you.